The Holy Bible teaches us that Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. When Jesus walked on this earth, the blind received sight, the lame walked, lepers were cleansed, and the dead were raised. But the question is, does he still heal today? The answer is yes. Jesus is alive today, and he is still the healer. And this healing is not just physical, it's emotional, mental, and spiritual too. Around the world, countless testimonies tell us how people found healing through prayer and faith in Jesus. Some were healed from cancer, others from depression, and many saw broken relationships restored. But remember this, Jesus didn't just come to perform miracles. He came to save us. Healing is a sign that God is still near us, loves us, and is still at work in our lives today. If you're going through any kind of pain or struggle, pray to Jesus with faith, because he hears you and he heals.
If you have ever received healing through Jesus, and let us know from which country you're watching this video, subscribe to The Reality of God.